Good morning, children. You are most welcome to the language class. In our last class, we have read chapter 11, Types of Sentences. There we have read about the assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Whenever any sentence that states something, some normal facts or something, that is called assertive or declarative statement, or when we ask some questions, that is called interrogative sentence, and when we show our strong feeling, then it is exclamatory sentence, and when it is gives us advice, any prayer, well wishes, that will be imperative sentence. Next, there is another part of types of sentence, that is positive and negative. So positive sentence means this is my pen. We are starting with the new session, part 2, types of sentences, that is positive and negative sentences. This is my pen. This is a positive sentence. And this is not my pen. So this is a negative sentence. So here it is written, sentences are further divided into two groups, positive and negative. And one thing more, we can change all types of sentences into negative sentences. Here are the basic rules I have given, rules of changing positive to negative. Here all kinds of sentences means the interrogative sentence which is in positive, we can change it in negative. Like, is this your pen? We can say that in negative also. Is this not your pen? Like this. In imperative sentence, may God bless you, is a positive. May God not bless you. That is the negative one. Like this we can change. Next, here are some rules I have given. If there is a verb, be verb or helping verb. Be verb means am, is, are, was, were. These are called be verb or helping verbs. So we have to add not after helping or be verb. For example, I am eating cake. The negative will be I am not eating cake. Rima will go tomorrow. Rima will not go tomorrow. Sanju's book was on the table. Sanju's book was not on the table. See, the be verbs are there and we are putting just not after that. Children were playing in the park. Children were not playing in the park. We will leave our bags here. We will not leave our bags here. So we can put not after be verb and we can change the assertive or positive sentence to the negative. Next is, if a be verb or helping verb is not there. If helping verb is not there, then how we will change? We can change it by adding do, did, do or did and not. Do will be in present and did will be in past. Does we can use, do or does. Do or does and did. Do and does for the present tense and did will be for the past tense. I like fruits. I do not like fruits. Do not we can write don't. Our school remains closed on every Saturdays. Our school does not remain closed on every Saturday. Mona learns classical songs. Mona does not learn classical songs. She sang in the annual concert. She did not sing in the annual concert. Plants give us carbon dioxide. Plants do not give us carbon dioxide. See, I is a singular number, but I is the first person, so we have put do over there. School is a singular noun, so we have put does. Mona is a singular, third person singular number, so we have put does. She sang. Sang is the past tense. these two, number 2 and 3 is in present tense. But number 4 is past tense. Sang, sing, sang, sung, sang is past tense. So we have put did over there. Plants give us carbon dioxide. Plants do not give us carbon dioxide. Plants is the plural number. So we have put do over there. Now I have given some examples of worksheet. Next we have to do the worksheet. Identify the sentences are positive or negative. See, assertive sentence and positive sentences are same. So we can write assertive sentence or we can write positive. Where it is positive, we have to write positive, but I have written here assertive. You have to write it positive. Or you can, if you will write assertive, that will be also correct. Raman is playing football. This is assertive sentence or positive sentence. We can say it positive. Sahil is not eating orange. So negative sentence. Hans was a clever boy. This is assertive or positive. We can write positive over there. Plants are all our best friends. Positive sentence. It is called assertive also. I do not like vegetables. It is negative sentence. So where we are putting no, not, that it will be negative, and otherwise it will be assertive or positive. I am very sorry that I have written here assertive. Actually it will be positive. Change the positive sentences to negative sentences. Pankaj is singing a song. Pankaj is not singing a song. Pankaj is not singing a song. So this way we have to change. Radhika likes to play cricket. Radhika do not likes to play cricket. Meenu told me a secret. Meenu did not tell me a secret. They will go to Mumbai next week. They will not go to Mumbai next week. So next is the worksheet that will you will get in the PDF. And in the PDF form, this question number 1 will be corrected. Question number 1 will be corrected in PDF. You will get the correct form. That will be positive. Positive and assertive are same. Though as it is in the question that positive, so I will make it positive over there. Next is worksheet. Identify the sentences are positive or negative. You have to write those are positive sentence or negative sentence. Change the positive sentences to negative sentence. That we have done. Next is the worksheet 2 from part 1. That means part 1, last day's worksheet I have given. Identify the kinds of sentences. Anu, please hand me your shoot. Did he solve the problem? I feel uneasy. Earth is the blue planet. Arun is not playing hockey. So this here, identify the kinds or types of sentences. You have to write whether it is assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory or negative. You will do it in the copy. The worksheets you will do in the copy. Thank you. We will look after for the next class. Till then, enjoy the studies.